Imagine waking up every day feeling like you're stuck in a loop, a cycle where your money moves, but never really grows the way it should. You've put years of trust and capital into multiple funds, thinking that spreading out is the safest bet. But deep down, you know there's something off. It's like pouring water into a leaky cup and wondering why it never fills up. That feeling, that gnawing frustration, isn't just in your head, it's real. Because the world of limited partners is shifting. The old ways are fading fast, and those who don't see it will be left behind. Let's be honest, managing multiple fund allocations can feel like juggling with your eyes closed. You throw money at fund after fund, promising yourself that diversity will protect you. But what you often get is dispersed attention, diluted returns, and endless reports filled with jargon that don't add up to a clear path forward. You're not just a passive investor. You're someone who cares deeply about where your capital goes, but it's harder than ever to find clarity in the noise. The problem isn't just distribution, it's that broad stroke approach waters down power. It gives you numbers but not impact, exposure but not control, and control? That's everything. Now think about precision investing. Not just allocating, but targeting with laser focus. It's like trading a shotgun method for a sniper approach. Why scatter your resources when you can concentrate on the few that truly move the needle? When you zero in on select opportunities, you become more than just a participant. You become a force. Because in today's dynamic market, being everywhere means being nowhere. Being precise means being ahead. There's a fire inside every limited partner who's ready to break this cycle. The fire that says enough is enough. Enough of mediocre returns. Enough of going through the motions. Enough of watching others take risks and reap outsized rewards while your portfolio quietly trudges along. The truth is, the old multi-fund model rewards conformity and quantity over quality and insight. It's comfortable for some, but for those awake, it's a cage. This shift toward precision isn't about having fewer bets. It's about having better bets. It's about stepping into your power as an investor and saying, I know what I want. I know where to place my chips. That means deeper relationships with fewer managers, sharper due diligence, and most importantly, having skin in the game where it actually matters. Not the fleeting promise of diversification, but the real promise of influence. And here's where it gets even more powerful. The precision mindset isn't just better for returns, it's better for freedom. Freedom from endless paperwork, from chasing every deal, from the noise of constant market updates that don't serve you. When your portfolio is focused, your time is focused, your energy is focused. You can actually breathe, strategize, and build something real. That kind of freedom is priceless. Have you noticed how the best returns come from those who play the long game? Those who identify the outliers, the visionary founders, the edge cases that no one else sees coming. Precision investing puts you in that rare category. It forces you to dig deeper, to trust your instincts, and to back bold ideas that others overlook. Because let's be clear, you're not here to play safe, you're here to win. The problem many LPs face is fear. Fear of missing out, fear of risk, fear of being wrong. But precision investing flips that on its head. It makes fear a tool, not a barrier. You fear less because you're not spread thin, you're anchored. You know your partners intimately, you see the whole game, and you invest with clarity. Fear becomes focus, and focus breeds power. Now, this doesn't mean ignoring risk, far from it. Precision investing demands courage, but also ruthless discipline. It demands a willingness to say no, loudly and often. No to the deals that don't resonate, no to the herd mentality, no to the well-trodden paths. It's a path for those who burn for more than just average. It's a path for those who refuse to blend in. Imagine the space you could create with fewer, but bigger, sharper investments. Imagine sitting at the table where your voice isn't just heard, it shapes outcomes. Imagine having your capital aligned with founders who move fast, think big, and challenge the status quo. Precision investing opens that door. It isn't about playing it safe, it's about playing it smart. If you're wondering how to even start, the first step is to strip away all the noise. Forget what everyone tells you about diversification. Instead, look inward. Look at your own unique strengths, networks, and convictions. Build a framework not based on popular trends, but on what you truly believe. That belief isn't born from spreadsheets. It's born from real conversations, real connections, real understanding. Then, surround yourself with a small circle of managers and founders who match your fire. The ones who don't just talk, but do. The ones who innovate boldly, who think in decades, not quarters. Together, you create a synergy that no broad allocation can ever replicate. The beauty of precision investing lies in its reciprocity. As you become more selective, you also become more valuable. Managers want you on their cap table, not just for the capital, but for the insight, the partnership. This elevates your role from check writer to true collaborator, which opens doors to unique deals and co-investment opportunities that the multi-fund approach simply can't access. And know this, true influence is a force multiplier. It's what takes a good investment and turns it into a legendary one. When you invest with precision, you don't just back ideas, you amplify them. You're part of the narrative, driving change, shaping futures. This feeling, this power, is addictive. It's the antidote to the numbness of passive investing. It's not easy, though. Precision investing demands patience. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It asks for resilience when deals fall apart, for grit when markets shake. But with that comes a profound reward. A portfolio that isn't just a collection of assets, but a reflection of your vision, your values, your legacy. The clock is ticking for LPs still caught in the old ways. The world is moving fast, and precision is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Those who adapt will not only survive, but thrive. Those who cling to multi-fund scatter strategies will watch opportunity slip through their fingers like sand. You have the power to change this story. You have the tools to reclaim control. You don't have to be a slave to the illusion of safety that broad diversification offers. You can be sovereign, you can be discerning, you can be fearless. This is the moment to shake off the comfortable and embrace the sharpness of precision. Don't settle for a portfolio that numbs you. Don't settle for returns that mask stagnation. Step into the raw potential of focused investing. Get close, get involved, get real. Your capital is your weapon. Wield it with intention, with fire, with precision. The few who embrace this shift will ignite new pathways, not just for themselves, but for the entire ecosystem. Because precision investing isn't just a strategy, it's a revolution of mindset. It's about reclaiming the power of the individual LP to shape the future. So listen to that quiet tension inside you, that voice that says you deserve better, that whispers you're meant for more. That tension is your call to action. It's time to stop waiting for the system to serve you and start serving your own vision. Precision investing isn't about fitting in. It's about standing out. It's about hunting the rare, the wild, the brilliant. It's about building legacy, impact, and freedom on your own terms. If the old ways made you doubt, let precision investing prove you right. The path is clear for those bold enough to take it. So lean in, focus hard, and watch how everything changes. Because the future belongs to those who refuse to scatter their power. The future belongs to those who invest not in quantity, but in quality. Not in noise, but in essence. Not in comfort, but in transformation. Now, the question isn't why LPs are shifting to precision investing. The question is, are you ready to be one of them?